In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can book your Disney cruise. Hi, I'm Roberta, a free certified travel advisor specializing in Disney destinations, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step how to book your Disney cruise. Be sure you watch until the end because I'm going to show you how you can get exclusive onboard credits and show you exactly how you can save some money. The first thing you want to do is go to the Disney Cruise Line website. Here you can select what month and year you would like to go. Next you can select the locations that you would like to go, and then you can select the ports you would like to leave from. Next you're going to put in your guest information. I'm putting in 2 adults and 2 children. And you can narrow down your search a little bit more by selecting the number of nights that you would like to go. Now that it has searched for all the cruises in your criteria, you can just start scrolling through and see which cruise looks good to you. As you're scrolling through, you will see the ship, the dates of the sailings, and each port destination. When you find a cruise you like, you can simply click Continue. It's always fun to watch the little interactive map to show you everywhere that the cruise ship goes. Just confirm your party. Now you're going to select if you would like an inside, ocean view, veranda, or concierge room. The veranda option is typically the most popular because it's only slightly more expensive than the ocean view room. You will have a full private balcony with the veranda room. But this is your opportunity to take a look around and see which room will work best for you. Now that you've decided on what type of stateroom you like, now you get to select the location. There are 3 sections to the ship. The aft is the back, midship is in the middle, and forward is in the front of the ship. You will also see the different decks available in each section. And there are really great descriptions that will help you choose what will work best for you. And if you ever have any questions about the best location for you or your family, just reach out to me. I'm happy to help. So once you've made a decision, you can click on that deck and select the room that you would like. Here you can see more details about the stateroom and the cost per person. Now this next step is very important because this is exactly how you are going to get onboard credits and save some money. Now you are going to jump over to adventuresbyroberta.com. Go to the top right and click on the contact page. Here you're going to find a form that is very easy to fill out with all of your information. This is simply just how you reach out to me so that I can book the cruise for you and give you some incredible onboard credits. You can use onboard credits to pay for a variety of things on the ship. You can use them for gratuity, spa services, merchandise, specialty coffee, drinks, and more. These are exclusive perks that you will only receive by booking with me. You will not receive them when booking directly with Disney. I also have some other information in this contact form that's going to help me create the best experience for your Disney cruise. And here you can see I clearly explain what will happen next after you contact me. My services are completely free, and I'm here to help you save time and money when booking your Disney cruise. So if you're ready to book your Disney cruise, please reach out to me so I can take care of your booking and help you get the very best deal on your magical cruise. And if you're interested in a trip to Walt Disney World before or after your cruise, I can easily take care of that for you and help you save time and money.